In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to CSV. This is a simple process, but there are a few important things to keep in mind so your data saves correctly. We'll be using the Save As option in Microsoft Excel, and by the end, you'll have a CSV version of your workbook ready to use. Start by opening Microsoft Excel, then open the workbook you want to convert. Before you save anything, take a moment to review your data. This part is important because CSV files are much simpler than regular Excel files. They don't keep advanced formatting formulas in the same way or multiple worksheets. As you check your file, remove any unnecessary sheets if needed, look for formatting issues, and make sure your data is organized properly. One key thing to remember is that only the active worksheet will be saved as a CSV file. So if your workbook contains multiple sheets, make sure the one you want to export is the one currently selected. Once your data looks good, go to the File tab in Excel and choose Save As. From there, select the folder where you want to save the new file, and then enter a file name that will be easy to recognize later. Next, click the Save As type drop-down menu. You'll see different file format options, but the two main ones to look for are CSV, delimited, and CSV UTF-8, delimited. If your spreadsheet includes special characters, accented letters, or data in multiple languages, it's usually better to choose CSV UTF-8. That format helps preserve those characters more accurately. After selecting the format you want, click Save. Excel may show you a warning letting you know that some features are not compatible with the CSV format. That's normal because a CSV file is designed to store plain text data separated by commas. If that message appears, go ahead and click Yes or continue to finish saving. Once the file has been saved, navigate to the folder where you placed it and open the CSV file to verify everything looks correct. You can open it in Excel if you want to view it in a spreadsheet layout, or use Notepad or another text editor if you want to check the raw comma-separated data directly. Take a final look to make sure the information appears correctly and nothing important was lost in the conversion. And that's it. You've successfully converted an Excel file to CSV using Save As.